Grandma Julie. Guess what? But first,
Wash your hands.
we're gonna wash our hands. We're gonna make some cookies.
What's next, Grandma?
Let's go see the instruction.
Yay!
So let's hit the oven.
And 350.
Say, oh, see that? It says bake. And then 350. And you have to press start. Press it.
Press it?
Yes. Harder. Harder.
Yay!
Place the cookie dough. I've got this too.
Go, Grandma. Go, Lincoln. Go, Grandma. Go, Lincoln. Take a breathe.
Wow!
What's next? Says place the cookie dough into the pan. You ready? Don't smash it, it's fine.
That's too much. I do understand.
It's sticky.
Why'd you put ice? We're done.
Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Yay! Be careful.
Careful. Grandma first. Okay.
Look at the heart.
That's hot, Mia.
Here.
Careful.
Now we can wait.
Wait for 14 to 18 minutes. Let's put a timer. 17 minutes. Start.
We'll be back.
One eternity later.
Come ring, it's done. Come ring.
Good.
Watch out, it's hot. One cookie.
That's a lot.
Cookies.
That's too much cookies.
Let's cool it down. Careful.
So yummy.
Now it's cooled down.
Can we get the Princess Santa?
Sure, let's go.
Hey, I go first.
Okay.
So, oh, the Princess Santa.
There we go.
Yay! How about us?
Okay, forget which one you like.
This one. We get to. We want this one again. What's me? That's me. Now Santa's me left.
For the milk?
Now what are you gonna do? Look at this.
Okay. Santa will see you tomorrow. Bye guys!
Bye guys.
We'll see you later!
We'll see you later.
The next day.
Ah! Wait! I saw you eat the cookie!
Did Santa eat the cookie?
What?
And he drank the milk?